Good day, fellow mathematicians. Welcome back to our video. Let's turn this off. Welcome back to our video. Today we're going to discuss another topic in pre-calculus, and that topic is the equation of a circle that passes through through points. The equations of a circle that passes through points. Previously in the last video, we have discussed the definition of what a circle is and its properties and the standard and general forms, etc. But for now, we will be discussing a slightly harder example involving circles. Now, before that, let's get started. Now, let's dive ourselves to the first example. Halimbawa 1, find the equation of the circle that passes through the points 0, 6, 4, -2, and 9, 3. Now, at first, parang nakakatakot yung kasi it's a problem that doesn't have a radius, a center, na karaniwang properties ng circles. Ayun. How do we supposed to attack this problem? First of all, before the dog is barking, let's draw the lines of the circle. Yung mga lines, so yung mga points na nasa circle daw. Let's have a Cartesian plane. Ayan. The dog is barking while we are solving, so it's very good. Ngayon, let's have this Cartesian plane. Una, 0, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. And first of all, I want to extend this a little bit farther. Ayan. So, hindi na lang pala. Ayan. Yan na lang 6. Tapos, diba yan? 0, 6. Sunod, we have 1. Sige nga, ano na natin? I-darken na natin. This is 0, 6. 0, 6 while the dog is barking right now. Sunod, let's go back to color blue. We have 4, -2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, and this is -2, 1, 2. -2. So, ito yung point na yan. So, let's darken the color. Ito. Sunod, let's have, lastly, 9, 3. 9, 3. Let's go back to color blue. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Para sure. 9. This is 3. And ito. And ito. And then, wag blue kasi we're not magkaka-color confusion. So this is, diba? This is, let's say, 9, 3. This is 4, -2. Now, how do we supposed to draw the circle na given? Ibig sabihin daw, dumadaan daw siya dyan sa lines yan. So, let's draw a circle as best as possible. Kaya ako nagjo-GeoGebra, guys. Kasi it's pretty hard to draw a fantastic circle. So far naman, it's pretty promising na that's a circle, right? This is a circle. This is a circle. This is a rough sketch of a circle because we have no compass naman. Kaya ako nagjo-GeoGebra. But at least we have a perspective of, yun yung given natin. Kasi lagi naman ganun sa math. We must draw whatever it describes yung mga nasa problems. Ngayon, ano alam natin? We know that ano alam natin so far? The general form of a circle is say it with me, x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. Alam natin yan. Ibig sabihin, itong equation ng circle na to, ito yan. Itong circle na pula, ito yung equation niya. Sinabi, na 0 and 6, 0, 6, 9, 3, and 4, -2 are in the circle. Ibig sabihin, you can substitute the value of x and y doon sa mga coordinates. Halimbawa, this is 0, 6. Diba this is x and this is y? You can substitute the value of x dito. You can substitute the value of y dito. Kasi nga, you are in the circle. Eh, di ba yun, ganun naman ang concept. Kapag nasa line ka, dun sa concept natin ng equations ng lines, if you are a point on the equation, therefore, you can substitute that point and totoo pa rin yung value mo. Nakukuha niyo ba yung gusto kong sabihin? So, we can do this. Kasi bakit ba anong goal natin? Kasi diba, to find an equation of the circle, we must find the value of D, E, and F para maging legit na circle ka. So, ano yung goal? Goal. Find D, E, and F. That's the goal. To find D, E, and F. May given tayo na point. So, we can substitute the values. Anong ibig sabihin ko? Ano ba? This is 0, 6. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, iba-ibay natin ang color niya. Sige. So, let's say we have color, I don't know, maroon. Maroon for 0, 6. And i-substitute natin dun sa value. So, this is 0 squared. Kasi siya yung x. Plus y, 6 squared. Plus d multiplied by 0. Kasi di ba x pa rin yun? Tama ba? Plus e multiplied by 6. Plus f, wala kasing variable, is equal to 0. Saan siya equal? So, magiging 0 squared is 0. Wala na yan. This is 36. This implies, diba? 36 plus d multiplied by 0 is 0. Kaya wala na yan. Tanggalin na natin siya. Plus 6e plus f is equal to 0. Diba? So, nawala na to kasi 0 to. Ito 0 to. Kaya ito na lang natira. And let's call this equation 1. Let's call this equation 1. And sunod, let's change the color. Let's say to green. Sunod, 9, 3. Ba 9? Hindi, wag yan 9. Susunod natin yung 4, -2 pala. Ngayon, substitute na naman. Substitute the value of x and y to the equation. Ano makukuha? 4 squared plus -2 squared plus d multiplied by x, which is 4, plus e multiplied by y, or -2. Plus f is equal to 0. Ano makukuha? 16. This implies that 16 plus 4 plus 4d minus 2e plus f is equal to 0. You can further simplify this as 20 plus 4d minus 2e plus f is equal to 0. And let's call this equation 2. Diba? 20 plus 4d minus 2e plus f is equal to 0. Tama? So, we have two equations. Ngayon. Anong color? Let's say this is dark violet. Let's say this is 9, 3. Ano yan? Substitute the value of x and y do sa equation na ito. What do we get? We have 9 squared plus 3 squared plus d multiplied by 9 plus e multiplied by 3 plus f is equal to 0. This implies that 9 squared is 81. 81, tama diba? 9 squared, 81 plus 9 plus 9d plus 3e plus f is equal to 0. Ano mangyari sunod? Add mo to. Magiging 90 plus 9d plus 3e plus f is equal to 0. And let's call this equation 3. Napapansin nyo, meron tayong tatlong equations. Let's underline them with red. Ito, nanginginig ito, and ito. And ang goal mo, mahanap ang D, E, and F. So, anong tawag dyan? This is a system of linear equations. Kung naalala nyo ng mga bata kayo. Naalala nyo ba, guys? Naalala nyo ba? So, isulat natin siya ulit or no. Let's write this like this. Where's my ano? Ganito. Ganito. Let's change the color. Ngayon, sulat natin siya ulit. 36. wag dito. Dito na lang sa medyo baba natin. Okay? So, this is 36 plus 6e plus f is equal to 0. Tapos, change to color green. Suppose a color green. This is 20 plus 4d minus 2e plus f is equal to 0. This is, and next, let's have in color violet na 90 plus 9d plus 3e plus f is equal to 0. Ngayon, and let's change to color maroon ulit kasi may napansin ako dito. Di ba wala itong d, napapansin nyo? So, isulat natin siya ng ganito. Isulat natin siya as ganito. 36 plus 0d. Di ba wala kang d? So, 0d. Tama? Tapos, plus 6e plus f is equal to 0. Ngayon, mapapansin nyo, this is a system of linear equation problem. Ayan, o, diba? Naalala nyo ng mga bata kayo, this is a system of linear equation. Diba? Ngayon, kailangan natin mahanap ang value, find D, E, and F. So, we will use elimination method, which is taught in junior high school or your general mathematics. Ngayon, kung di nyo na siya naalala, isa-isay natin siya, okay? Ganito. Ito yung given natin. Ngayon, anong gusto natin eliminate? Let's say I want to eliminate, una natin gustong gawin, eliminate, I don't know, I want letter D. I want to eliminate letter D sa 2 and 3. Ito, oh. Diba? Ngayon, kung gusto ko ma-eliminate ang letter D, edi magmumultiply ako dito ng, sa green, ng negative 9 to equation 2, tapos i-add ko sa 4, tapos equation 3. Mapapansin nyo kasi, di ba 36 ang common factor nito. Para maging 36 to, kailangan ko mag-multiply sa buong green. Tingnan nyo yung cursor ko, itong gumagalaw. Ito sa buong green ng 9, negative 9. Tapos, kailangan ko mag-multiply ng 4 dito sa buong violet para maging 36 to. Bakit negative 9? Para maging negative 36 to. And let's show this, bakit ganun ang ginawa ko. Ngayon, gawin natin siyang color green para uniform. Ngayon, kailangan ko daw mag-multiply ng negative 9 sa equation 2. Ngayon, paano yun? Negative 9, tapos ito equation 2. 20 plus 4d minus 2e plus f is equal to 0 times negative 9. Sino yan? This is negative 180 minus 36d plus 18e minus 9f is equal to 0. Dinistribute lang. Okay? Siya na yung bagong equation 2 in this case. Sunod. Let's say violet tayo kasi yung color ni Violet. Yung 4. Magmumultiply ka daw ng 4 sa equation 3. Paano yan? 4, sulat natin, 90 plus 9d plus 3e plus f is equal to 0 multiplied by 4. Sunod, 4 multiplied by 90 is 360. 4 multiplied by 90 is 36d. Kasi yun nga yung gusto ko makancel. Oh. Nakikita niyo kung bakit siya magka-cancel. Pag inad natin, plus 12e plus 4f is equal to 0. Tama? Ngayon, gawin natin siya in color, I don't know. Let's say, blue tayo. Balik tayo sa default natin na blue. Ngayon, ang mangyayari, this is negative 180 minus 36d plus 18e minus 9f is equal to 0. Sunod, 360 plus 36d plus 12e plus 4f is equal to 0. Okay, ngayon, ito na yung una nating Mapapansin nyo, guys, yung gusto natin ma-eliminate na d, ay may eliminate na natin pag pinag-add natin yan. Ngayon, let's do the addition. Ngayon, negative 180 plus 360 is 180. Ito wala na yung d plus 18e plus 12e is 30e. Okay? Negative 9f plus 4f is negative 5f is equal to 0. And this is equation, I don't know, let's call this number 4. Equation 4 yan. Ngayon, ano susunod natin gustong gawin? Eliminate, ang haba, no? Mahirap talaga elimination method kasi tatlo siya, tapos tatlong letters din involved, di ba? Eliminate, let's say, E. Ng equation, I don't know, 1 and 4. Equation 1 and 4. Ngayon, ganito gusto kong gawin, ha. Pansinin nyo, kasi di ba may ika dito, sa equation 1, tapos sa equation 4 may ika. Ito 6e, ito 30e. Kailangan ko mag-multiply ng negative 5 sa equation 1 para mag-cancel dito sa equation 4. Nakikita niyo yung gusto ko mangyari? Okay. 36. Diba 5? Tapos, yun nga. Okay. Tapos negative 1 naman dito para mag-cancel. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo kung ano yung tinutukoy ko. So, let's say, dito tayo. Ang gusto ko mangyari is that, ba't ako nagpalit kulay? Ito muna. Is, di ba, equation 1, magmumultiply ako ng 5, mag-a-add ako, tapos negative 1, magmumultiply ako sa equation 4. Pakita ko sa inyo kung bakit ko yan napili. Ganito. Ngayon, yung 5, magmumultiply ka sa equation 1. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Sino ba equation 1? 5 multiplied by 36 plus 0d plus 6e plus f is equal to 0 multiplied by 5. Okay? Ano yan? This implies this 36 multiplied by 5 is 180 plus 0d or 0d pa rin plus 5 multiplied by 6e is 30e plus 5f is equal to 0. Yan yung ano, una. Sunod, equation 4. Sabi ko, anong kulay yun? Di ba, blue? Negative 1, magmumultiply ako ng negative 1 sa equation number 4. Ano makukuha ko doon? Negative 1 multiplied by 180 plus 30e minus 5f is equal to, ito, 0 tapos negative 1. So magiging ano yan? This implies that this is 180. Lagyan na rin natin ng plus 0d. Kasi di ba wala naman tong d, lagyan ko ng 0d, it won't hurt. Di ba? Minus 30e plus 5f is equal to 0. Di ba nakikita niyo kung bakit ko yung ginawa? Di ba? Kasi ito yung gusto ko ma-eliminate, e. May 30e ka saka negative 30e. So ibig sabihin, diskarte mo na lang kung paano ka mag-eliminate, kung paano mo ito napili. Kaya ako nagpipili ng arbitrary na numbers na 5 and negative 1 para mag-cancel yung gusto ko ma-cancel. Ganito. Isulat na natin. 180 plus 0d plus 30e plus 5f is equal to 0. Sunod, meron kang 180 plus 0d minus 30e. Dapat negative 180 to eh. Kasi diba, nag-multiply ka ng negative 1. Muntikan pa tayo doon. Algebraic errors. Sunod, plus 5f is equal to 0. So, mapapansin nyo, let's change to color red. Papansin nyo, 180 tapos minus 180 magka-cancel. Ito, wala to. As 30e minus 30e is 0. 0 lahat yan. 0, 0, 0. Ano matitira, guys? Magiging 5f plus 5f is 10f is equal to 0 or f is equal to 0. And finally, we have found 1. Nakahanap na tayo sa mga gusto natin maano. Meron na tayong f, guys. Ito oh, ito yung f. Nakita na natin yung f. So, anong gusto natin mangyari? Ang gusto natin mangyari susunod, hanapin natin yung si D saka si E. Ngayon, ipa-plug natin, substitute f is equal to 0 into equation 1. Into equation 1. Sino si equation 1? Yung ito, si 636 plus 0d plus 6, palit tayo ng color niya. Yan ito. Substitute daw natin. Sino ba yung equation 1? Diba this is 36 plus 0D plus 6E plus F is equal to 0. So this implies that this is 36 plus 0D plus 6E plus 0 kasi di ba F is equal to 0. So magiging, ang matitira, 36 plus 6E is equal to 0. And finally, wala ng letter D. Di ba? So mapapansin mo, you can subtract 36 from both sides. Magiging 6E is equal to negative 36. Divide both sides by 6. This implies that E is equal to negative 6. Tama? So meron ka ng isa pa. Meron ka ng F at meron ka ng E. Eh ano na lang hinahanap mo? Di ba si letter, ano na lang, D. Ngayon, substitute, F is equal to 0 and E is equal to negative 6 into, I don't know, equation 2. Sino ba si equation 2, guys? Lakihan natin ng konti. Equation 2 is yung green. And change the color. Sino si equation 2? This is 20. 20 plus 4D minus 2E plus F is equal to 0. Ngayon, isa-substitute ko daw, yung F is equal to 0 saka E is equal to negative 6 magiging 20 plus 4D, kasi D nga yung gusto ko makita, minus 2 multiplied by negative 6 plus F or 0. So magiging 20 plus 4D minus or plus 12, kasi negative times the negative is positive equals 0. This implies that 20 plus 12 is 32 plus 4D is equal to 0. Subtract 32 from both sides, magiging 4D is equal to negative 32. Divide both sides by 4. Therefore, D is equal to negative 8. Okay. So, finally, after the long hours that we have given, after the long minutes that we have given, we have finally found the value of D, E, and F. Diba? By the long elimination method. I hope na natuto rin kayo ng elimination method dito sa video na ito. Ngayon, balik tayo sa default color natin na color blue. Ngayon, and let's zoom in a little bit. Substitute, I don't know, D is equal to negative 8, E is equal to negative 6, and F is equal to 0 into the general form. Kasi yung goal natin, di ba? Makahanap ng equation ng circle into the general form. Ano yon? This is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. This implies that this is x squared plus y squared. Sino si D? Negative 8x. Sino si E? Negative 6y plus f or 0 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. Diba? This is the equation of the circle. This is the general form. Eh, paano kapag gusto natin gawing standard form? Anong mangyayari? Let's do grouping. Ngayon, change to standard form. How do we do that? How do we supposed to do that? Magiging, wala ka ng constant na ililipat, so ganun. So, x squared minus 8x, tapos space, plus y squared minus 6y, tapos space is equal to 0. Tama? Ngayon, ganito gagawin mo. Completing the square. Negative 8 multiplied by 1/2, magiging negative 4, square mo, ayan, magiging plus 16. So, mag-add ka rin ng 16 dito. Okay? Sunod. Negative 3, ay negative, naunahan ko, negative 6 multiplied by 1/2, magiging negative 3 squared, so magiging plus 9. Mag-add ka rin ng 9 dito. Diba? So, magiging, this implies that this is x squared minus, what x squared? Magiging this is x minus 4. Kasi ito yun. Kung ano ito yun, squared, plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 25. Therefore, the center is C 4, 3, and the radius the radius is r squared is equal to 25 or r is equal to 5. Diba? So, ibig sabihin, there's a problem. This is the equation na hinahanap. So, ibig sabihin, kung makikita mo yung drawing, dapat nasa 4, 3 ang center. Yan natin yung drawing natin, ha? So, makikita nyo, if we zoom in a little bit, this is 4, 3. And it really looks like na parang siyang nasa center. This is 4, 3. And paano mo bang bibilang ang radius? Di ba 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito yon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito yon. Ay, di ba? Dito yon. Pero di na nakita. So, ito yung point, di ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito yon. So, ibig sabihin, this is legit. So, yan. Ganun siya. Ang haba ng solution natin, guys. Yan. And dito tayo pumunta. Elimination. And then finally, we have discovered the equation of the circle. Di ko na siya gagawin sa GeoGebra kasi ginraf na natin siya. I hope you learned something today. I hope that you have appreciated this slightly difficult example. And I believe that in learning mathematics, you have to learn the hard problems because doon ka mag-grow. And until then, mathematicians, keep safe. In the next video, we will be discussing a lot of examples about circles. And then we will be heading to the parabolas. Until then, keep safe and have a good day. Goodbye now.